In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce 90% of errors with Claude Code. We'll walk through a simple, reliable workflow that makes Claude produce cleaner code by giving it exactly what it needs, right when it needs it. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. This gives you a quick way to reach the official Claude website without typing long URLs or landing on the wrong page. In the search box, type Claude AI. You're looking for the official Claude site in the results. Click through to open Claude. If you see options for starting a new chat, go ahead and open one so you're working in a clean conversation. Now, craft a clear, self-contained prompt. Your goal is to describe the project, the outputs you expect, the pages or sections you need, and the tech stack, all in one concise block. For example, you might say you want a simple study buddy site where students paste or upload notes and instantly get summaries, key points, quizzes, and explanations. Explain that the site has 3 sections: home, notes input, and results, and that it should be built with plain HTML, CSS, and JavaScript using an index.html, style.css, and script.js. Mention the user flow from landing to entering notes to seeing the study outputs. Keep the wording specific and unambiguous. Avoid vague phrases like "make it modern" without context. Focus on concrete structure and behavior. Click the Submit button to send your prompt. This first pass sets expectations and reduces back and forth, which is where many errors creep in. If Claude responds with something like "ready to code," but doesn't provide the actual files, don't switch topics or add new requirements. Instead, resend a tightened version of the same prompt. For instance, restate that Study Buddy is a simple site where students paste notes to get summaries, key points, quizzes, and explanations built with basic HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, with a straightforward flow from input to results. Keeping the scope the same, but sharper, nudges Claude to produce the code rather than staying in planning mode. Click. Submit again. This refine and resend move is crucial. It tells Claude you're ready for deliverables, not just confirmation. Throughout, remember these small but powerful habits. Be explicit about files and structure. Describe the user flow end-to-end, and keep your prompt self-contained so Claude doesn't have to guess. Follow this sequence, and you'll see fewer misunderstandings, fewer retries, and a big drop in errors when generating code with Claude.